So today let us start with the new part, which is part 8, and we'll continue with the exercise 12.3. So we have already done similar type. We have done question number 1 to 10. You can have a look at the previous part. So here you can see the coefficient of this x is 41 and 47, which are different, and you have to make it equal. So here, because these are the big numbers, so now what we can see here, this is also 47, this also is 47. This is also 41 and this is also 41. So in such type of problems, instead of making it equal, we will first think these are the two equations. We are going to add it, and later on we are going to again subtract it and get the two more equations and then solve it. So now let us see. First we will add these two equations. The question is given on the left hand side. So after adding this we get 88x minus here 88y, and this is going to be 88. So now you can see here 88 is common. So we'll put in the bracket, which is now 88x means 88x here and minus 88y. So this is going to be minus y is 88. So x minus y will be 88. This is actually multiplication. It will go on the other side. It will get divided, and which is going to be 1. So x minus 1, y is 1. So now let us consider this as equation number 3. Same equation, now we are going to subtract it. So here is plus. So we are going to change the sign to minus. Minus. So here this is going to be plus. This is plus, so this is going to be minus. So now what you can see, 41 minus this 47, so that is going to be minus 6x. Now this, you are going to look at the new sign, minus 47 plus 41, which is going to be minus 6y. And this is going to be minus 53 plus 35, so which is going to be minus 18. So we can take from this one minus 6 common, so in the bracket will be x plus y. So how this is x plus y? Because minus 6x and this minus and plus becomes minus. So this is minus. So this becomes, so here should be plus. That is minus 18. So x plus will be 18. Here this plus, this both the side, this becomes plus because both the side is minus. Or you can do, if you get confused with this one, you can do one more step, minus 18. This will come on the other side. That will be minus 6. And you know, minus divided by minus is going to be plus. Anyways, you can do it. So 18 divided by 6, so this should be 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. So this is equation number 4. So now we are going to solve this equation 3 and equation 4. So solving equation 1, 3 and 4, we get that is x minus 3 is 1. And so here what we can do, we can cancel out minus y plus y. So this is going to be 2x is 4. So x will be 4 divided by 2. So x is going to be 2. Putting x is equal to 2 in this equation number 3. So this is the equation number 3. So in place of x, we are going to put 2. So later on, what we can do here, 2. If you bring this on this side, that is going to be minus 1, and this is going to be y. So y is going to be 1. So when we write here the solution, we always write for x and y. So x is 2 and this y is 1. Now let us go for the next question. So this also is the same one. So here first we are going to add it. So after adding, this is 25 into x plus y is 50. So x plus y will be 50. This is going to get divided 25. So this is going to be 2. So x plus y is 2. Again for this one you are going to two equations. This is plus or minus, plus minus, plus minus. So here will be minus x. Here plus 13 minus 12 is going to be plus y. And this will be 29 plus 29 minus 21. That is going to be 8. So this will be equation number 4. Solving equation this 3 and 4. So this is 3, this is 4. So this can be cancelled out, plus minus. So this is going to be 2y is 10. So y is going to be 10 by 2, which is going to be 5. So putting this y is equal to 5 in equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So in place of y, you will go put this 5. So the value of x is minus 3. So this is x, this is y. So this will be minus 3 and 5. So now let us go to the next, this one, the question number 13. So 2x minus 3y is 4 and 3y minus x is 1. So what we can do here, this is equation number 2. So we'll bring this x on this side and this here. So here this is the equation 1 stays as it is. So minus x, so this is plus 3y is 1. So after rearranging this one, so what we can see here, we don't have to multiply by any number here, because here we already have here minus 3y and plus 3y. This gets cancelled out. So what will be here? This is going to be x and this will be 5. So putting x is equal to 5 in equation number 1. So you can put in any equation. Even if you put in equation number 2, you are going to get the same answer. So this is going to be 5. So after solving this one, we get the value of y is 2. So this is x and this is y. So x is 5 and y is 2. So now here what we can do, we have to see here, this is 3 and this is minus 4. So now we need, this should be 12. So here will be multiplied by minus 4 and this should be multiplied by 3 to make it to minus 12, because then if we, one more thing what we can do, because we are multiplying this by minus 4, throughout the equation we have to multiply by minus 4, and here again here you are going to multiply by, in the second equation, by 3. So now this is going to be minus 4 means this is going to be minus 12x. This you are going to multiply by minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 7, that is going to be plus 28y. And this by minus 4 means minus 24. So be careful with this minus sign, because if this equation is wrong, the answer will be wrong. So be careful while writing the equation. And this is just 3 because we already have minus over here. So this is going to be minus 12x. This will be plus 18y and this is going to be 6. So this, what now we can do here, now this is minus, so this becomes plus, plus, so this will be minus, plus, so this will be minus, so this and this gets cancelled, plus 12, minus 12 plus 12 will be 0. Now we just look at the new sign. Plus 28 minus 18 will be 10y. And this will be minus 6 minus 24 will be minus 13. So value of y is minus 3. And putting this y is equal to minus 10 equation 1. So in place of y, put minus 3. So here minus minus becomes plus and this will be 21. So x will be minus 5. So here x and this y, so minus 5 and this will be minus 3. Now have a look at the next question here. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. But for the equation number 2, we can rearrange and make it. Now see here, because here the denominators are different. So we'll take the LCM of it. So LCM is going to be 15. So this you are going to multiply by 3. And this you are going to multiply by 2. So this is going to be 6x. Sorry, this will be multiplied by 5 because this is 5, sorry. So this is going to be 6x plus 5y divided by 15 is 1. So 6x plus 5y, this is going to be 15. So this will be, now see here, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So now you got in the same pattern. So you are going to multiply. Now you will look at the coefficient of it. So for x, here we have 6 and here we have just 2. So to make it to 6, we multiply this by 3. So after multiplying this by 3, we get 6x plus 3y plus this is going to be 21. And this stays the same because already we have here 6. So now this is plus, so this will be minus, plus, so this is going to be minus. So plus, this will be minus. So plus 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled out. Here will be minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2y. Minus 15 plus 21, that is going to be 6. So y will be 6 divided by this will be minus 2. So the y will be minus 3. So putting y is equal to minus 3 in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. So in place of this y, you will put a minus 3. After solving this, we get the value of x is 5. So this is x and this is y. So 5 and minus 3. Now let us go for the next question here. So now we can see it's a similar we have done. So because now you can see the coefficients are bigger, and when we cross this one, what we can see, this is 57, this also is 57, this is 56 and this also is 56. So in such type of question, we have to do one thing. Instead of making the coefficient equal, as I told you earlier, first thing you are going to add these two equations and later on you are going to subtract it. So after adding this, you get this one equation. So from here you can take 113 common, so x minus y is minus 339. So x minus y will be minus 339 divided by this will be 113. So x minus y is minus 3. When you subtract this one, so this is going to be x, this is going to be y, plus 57 minus 56 will be y, and this will be 170 minus 169 will be 1. So this will be equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, we get, here there is minus y plus y, this gets cancelled, 2x will be minus 2. So the value of x is minus 1, and this x is equal to minus 1, we will put in equation number 1. So we get the value of y. So this is x and this is y. So x is minus 1 and y is 2. So this is the solution. So now this you can have a look at this one. We already done this type of problem. So this will be equation number 1. So now this we can do one thing here. We can take the LCM of this one because we can see the denominators are different. So LCM is 3. So same thing is written over here. 2x plus this is going to be 12y divided by 3 is 6. So 2x plus 12y. This will go on this side, will get multiplied. That is going to be 18. So this will be equation number 2. So now you can see here 2 as well as here 2. So what we can do, solving equation 1 and 2. So both the side where the coefficient is 2. So we can do one thing. This is plus. So this becomes minus. So this gets cancelled out. So we don't have to put any, we don't have to multiply by any number. So this is why the value of y is 1. And putting this y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So we get the value of x, that is going to be 3. So this is x and this is y. So x is 3 and y is 1. Now in this type of question, what we have to do, we had to cross multiply. So let us go for this question number, this equation first. So what we can do, 4 into x minus 1, this will be 3 into y plus 1. So after that, we are going to expand it, 4x minus 4, 3y plus 3. So now we'll bring this y on this side, that is going to be minus 3y, that is going to be 3, and this is going to be plus 4. So y minus 4x minus 3y, this is going to be 7. Let us consider this as equation number 1. Now we'll go for this one. So again, we are going to cross multiply. 3 will go on the left hand side. So 3 into x plus 2, and y minus 2 will go on the right hand side. 4 into y minus 2. So now we are going to expand it. 3x plus 6 is going to be 4y minus 8. So 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 6. So 3x minus 4y is going to be minus 14. This will be equation number 2. So now we are going to solve these two equations. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Again, what we can see here, instead of making the coefficient equal, so we can see one thing here. This is 4, 4. This is 3, 3. So we are going to use that. Once we will add it and once we are going to subtract it. So this is going to be 7x minus 7y is going to be minus 14 plus 7 minus 7. So from here 7 is common, x minus y is minus 7, so x minus y will be 7 minus 7 by 7. So x minus y is going to be minus 1. And now we are going to subtract it. So here is going to be x and here will be plus 4 minus 3 is going to be just plus y. Plus 14 plus 7 is going to be 21. So this will be 4. So solving equation 3 and 4. So this 3 and this is 4. So what we can see, minus y plus y we can cancel. So 2x is 20. So x is going to be 10. Putting this x is equal to 10 in equation number 3. So this is equation number 3. So we get the value of y. So this is x and this is y. So that will be 10 and 11. Same here. Now you can just have a look and you can do it yourself. All the steps are here. So just now you can see the, I'll just show you here the LCM. Here both sides is 2. So what you are going to do, just write here 3x plus y as it is and divided by 2 is minus 1. So it becomes 3x plus y will be minus 2. Again for this one, again the denominator is 2. So just write it 3x plus x plus 3y divided by 2 is 5. So x plus 3y, that is going to be 10. And then you are going to solve it. and get the values of. Again, solving also, you can do one thing. We can take directly, because here the coefficient for this is also 3 and for this is also 1. So we can add and subtract. So first you have added and then you got one equation. Again here you have subtracted and you got one equation, and then you are going to solve both the equations and then you get the value of x and y. So this is the answer. So again you can see these numbers are larger, and here when you cross it you can see both 371 here 197. So you're going to add these two equations. So take the common x plus y, that is 568, x plus y 568 divided by 568, so x plus y is 1. So again here you're going to subtract it. So after that you get this equation, take the common one, so that is 522. So x minus y is 522 divided by 174. So x minus y is 3. So you are going to solve the equation 3 and 4. This is 3 and 4. So after that you get the value of x as 2 and y as minus 1. So this is the solution. This is x and this is y. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.